Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The Silverado is featured in a black paint finish and is the LTZ trim. Under the hood we have our 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8 engine with an Allison automatic transmission as well as four-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 5-passenger seating on jet black leather seating surfaces. We have heated seats in both the front and back of the vehicle with a cooled option in the front, GPS navigation, our powered sunroof, forward collision alert, as well as our lane keep assist with departure warning and a heated steering wheel. Outside the vehicle we have black alloy wheels, black assist steps, as well as our tonneau cover. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, powered locks, driver's seat memory with 2 memory settings, power extending and folding trailer mirrors, as well as our power windows, storage, as well as our Bose speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow and drive mode, all of our transfer case settings, as well as all of our lighting controls. Heads-up display location, info, and brightness. You can see our display cluster just above that. Digital information system in the center. Down on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our adaptive cruise, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel, as well as our hands-free voice recognition and our display cluster information on the right-hand side. Shifter up and above with push-to-start ignition. Moving to our infotainment system in the middle, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth audio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto as well. Have navigation, user settings, a Wi-Fi hotspot, full 360-degree camera, as well as all of our trailering assists and more. Below we have volume, home, seek, back, and menu controls. Dual zone climate with front and rear defrost, auto and sync, as well as AC. Heated and cooled driver seat and passenger seat. Across the bottom we have our diesel exhaust brake, lane departure warning, our parking sensors with front and rear park sensors, powered tailgate, our hazard lights, traction control, way to turn on our 120-volt plugs, as well as our downhill assist, integrated trailer brake controller, USB-C, USB, 12-volt, and a 120-volt plug, some storage and a wireless charger below. You can also see our key. On it we have locks and unlocks, a remote start system, our powered tailgate, and our alarm system. Then we have 2 cup holders with storage, leather finish center console with storage up top, deep storage inside, as well as our SD slot, USB-C, USB, and aux input. Passenger and driver seat both finished in our jet black leather, heated, cooled with powered option and a powered lumbar. Moving to the rear view mirror, we have a full digital system. You can adjust our brightness, zoom, and location, or just use it as a regular rear view mirror. Moving above it, we have our OnStar settings, dome lighting on either side with dome lighting controls across the front, tilt slide sunroof and power sliding third rear window, universal garage door opener with 3 settings, then lastly our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. Moving down to our front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap and our all-terrain tires. Moving out, we have paint match trailer tow mirrors, paint match door handles, as well as a black assist step. Have a bumper step in both the front and back of the bed. All the way around at the back, we have Chevrolet etched into our powered tailgate, as well as our Silverado and LTZ badging in black, with our trailer tow hitch. Opening up our powered liftgate or tailgate. Inside the bed of the truck, we have cable tie downs in the front and back, as well as in-bed lighting, a 120-volt plug, our spray-on bed liner, and our soft folding tonneau cover above. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in both the front of the driver and passenger seat. 2 cup holders with some storage in the center. Then we have our 2 vents, heated outboard seats, USB-C, USB, and a 12-volt plug for charging. All-weather floor mats on the bottom. Seats are finished in our jet black leather, a 60/40 fold-up bench. In the center seat, 2 foldable cup holders with some storage, power sliding third rear window. Then lastly, we have our storage pockets in the outboard seats. You can also lift up on the bottom of the seats, and we have our under seat storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.